Once upon a time in the bustling city of Contentville, there lived a struggling entrepreneur named Mark. He dreamed of building a successful online business but was faced with countless challenges and obstacles in the world of content creation. Mark spent hours upon hours writing blog posts, crafting engaging social media content, and trying to keep up with the ever-changing landscape. He felt like a hamster on a wheel, constantly running but never really getting ahead. The stress and overwhelm was taking a toll on his business and his sanity. It wasn't just Mark. In fact, studies show that businesses spend an average of 60% of their time on content creation, leaving little room for other crucial tasks. The pressure to produce high-quality content, engage the audience, and stand out in a crowded market was becoming unbearable. Just when Mark was about to give up, he stumbled upon a magical solution called Complete Soar to New Heights.
Yeah, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another amazing one called AI Assistant, which is virtually the virtual assistants in the form of AI that is going to actually help you unleash the ultimate content creation force that will drive surge of leads, buyers, and customers with a simple 3-click magic. And I have gone through the software itself, the dashboard, and I can see the magic it does. It's an amazing AI assistant that is going to help you create content for your social media marketing, for blogging, for copywriting, anything you want. You are going to get with this amazing well thought instrument. That's what I call it, and it's from my friend Akshat Gupta, and of course it's gone live and you can buy it at any moment. You pick up this one or make up your mind. You'll be able to see the first link below in my description, and that link will give you a copy of this. My name is Mike with Mbadiwe.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to assist you and help you, just like this AI assistant, in order to make money online and make marketing easy for you, blogging, whatever you want. AI is going to help you. All you need to do is to tweak it a little bit, download, and just do your marketing. Okay, so it's an amazing one. We will go into more details. If you stick with me, I'm going to show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. A lot of them, you'll be blown away with all the things I have for you, which will be waiting for you at the end of this very whole thing. When you buy this product, which will be there on Warrior Plus account of mine, where you can have virtually anything you want. And I also show you the very dashboard itself, which I have privileged access to, and then you'll be able to see exactly what you are going to get with this very AI assistant, which is a excellent virtual assistant that is going to help you do your work basically. Okay, just command with a keyword and the job is done, and you can chat. Everything is included. So that's basically what you have. And of course, let's see if we can go further with this one and see some of the benefits. AI chatbot, which means you can interact with a human-like chatbot that provides assistance and answers questions across multiple niches and sectors. And email content generation, which has a customized email content in any language with options for creativity level, phrases, and variations. Okay, and you have also you have the ability to create attention-grabbing subject lines for emails on any topic whatsoever, in any niche, in any language, and with customization options. Cover letter generation. You can generate personalized cover letters by providing details and preference in any language of your choice, and you can create blog contents using this very application because it helps you generate personalized cover letters by providing details and preference in any language of your choice, and you can write articles easily, while maintaining, of course, the grammatical correctness and everything that such a content requires. So it's a very amazing product, and you have this website titles. You can create basically anything, meta descriptions for your blogs, keywords, research, and all that. Everything is SEO friendly and optimized. So it's an amazing one, and I will leave the review of this sales page to you when you arrive here, so that you see exactly, go through the tutorials and of course the testimonies that you have here, like my friend Khalid Mohammed, which is an affiliate marketer. He's a very good friend of mine, and these are the people who are testifying to the goodness of this very AI assistant. I can assure you it's going to do the job once it's coming from Gupta himself. Okay, so it's a basic very important one that you can use to just sort of avoid ChatGPT, because all those capabilities are included in this one. That's why I love this amazing instrument. So I leave that decision for you, and the rest of the review of the sales page, so that you see exactly what you stand to gain at the right time when you make up your mind. At any time you click that first link in my description, it will bring you to this sales page, and you click this link to get discount on the front end and the rest of the OTOs. Okay, so that's about what we can go on, how far we can go on this one. But for now, let us see the members area and see exactly what you have here. This is the dashboard area. You can chat with AI. Simple, very, very, very simple. Now what you do is to write whatever you want out there. Okay, yeah. So you're going to get a response. Of course, you can see that. You can say want to know what to do for. Okay, yeah. It's going to explain what you can do for the day. So you can go on and on. These are various conversations that I've had. This is the one I had with it last when I was testing the instrument. You can see exactly what you have here. So all these other ones are people who are actually using this to demonstrate how this one works. And for that, you can always go back to the dashboard, and here you can have API setting, AI API setting, where you sign off with your key and all the rest of them. And here you have also the social media, which you can generate tweets. You can generate Instagram hashtag, Facebook posts, Quora answers, and LinkedIn posts. You can do all that with this very one. And you have also the email content, which is going to give you how to generate emails and subject lines and cover letter, which you are going to have with that one. Okay, so you have also the blog content, which you can use this very blog intros, blog ideas, everything. If you click any of them, it's going to perform what you want it to perform. Okay, and then of course that's what you have for the blog area. And this is the article writer, which means you can write any article of your choice by clicking that link. All you need to do is to introduce your keyword. So English default you can generate. Okay, wait, this completely whatever. What is that? Okay, this has to be default. Okay, leave it at default. This one at default, I guess. This one leave at default. Yeah, I think it has to go the same way to leave for the default. Whatever it is, I think that's it. So let's see if it's going to generate one. What have we not done? Okay, about money. Okay, so now let us generate. It's going to do the job actually. Hold on a sec. It's taking quite some time, so that is taking a lot of our time. So what I will do now is to actually, I know it worked the last time I tried it, but for time's sake, maybe we should find something else to do. Okay, it's taking a lot of this may be the problem with this one. Okay, as you're looking at now, you see the time is taking us to do this. So I think we will leave it at that for now and see. Okay, success. Yeah, we did it actually. So this is what you have as a result. Okay, exactly. Money is one of the most important aspects of human life. So it's actually very well detailed article, which you can put subheadings and all that, and put your pictures, and it becomes a blog automatically that you can put out there on your website. So that's a good one. In any case, let us see if we can wrap this one up. AI code, you get is an agency, reseller, done for you, traffic, what level bonuses, training. This is exactly where you get the head training on how this works. So the first thing you do is to come here and do that before you continue with any of those things. It's something you can play with. It's very easy. It's just command and control, and that's what you have as your result. Okay, so that's basically what we are going to leave it at that at this moment. Now let us see the very pricing for this one and then you go to my bonuses. The front end goes for $15, but if you buy it now, you are going to get a certain discount on this very front end. And you have the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited, goes for $67. You have the OTO number 2, which is the assistant done for you, AI assistant done for you, which goes for $197. You have OTO number 3, AI assistant automation, goes for $47. You have OTO number 4, the traffic, goes for $97. You have number 5 as agency, $167. You have OTO number 6 as the franchise, goes for $97. OTO number 7, AI assistant income stream, goes for $47. And you have OTO number 8 as AI assistant white level, goes for $397, approximately $400. So that's an amazing one, which means you can rebrand this product and use it as if it's your own and sell it to anybody you want. Okay, so that's about that. And now let's see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. You can see you have about 7 of them. This is Latitude, this is a training course. Here you have also amazing Twitter, which is a Chrome extension that is going to help you, siphon traffic from Twitter. You have also this very Insurgency, which is another training, complete training on Facebook ads that you can use to do affiliate marketing. You have Lazy Track Sniper, which is a software. You have also the JavaScript Commission Bot, another software. You also have the Lockdown from another training course on how to start online from scratch. And you have also the Commission Toolbox, which has over 1,000 tools that you can work with. Okay, and of course, after your purchase, under your purchase history, you find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to my amazing product, AI assistant, and here you have this one giving you access to these amazing bonuses that I have for you. Okay, and this is exactly where I believe we are going to call it a day on this very review for AI assistant by Akshat Gupta. It has gone live, and you can buy it in the next 5 days. During the launch, it will have it on the, of course, very discounted prices, and you'll be able to make money definitely with this. And this is where I leave you. If you are new to my channel, I would encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your mind. Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, it's goodbye.